Banner Environmental Services was recently called upon to provide water extraction, drying, and restoration services for a religious facility in Easton, Massachusetts. The client had suffered from significant water damage throughout their building, including several inches of standing water in multiple rooms and areas. The team at Banner Environmental Services quickly mobilized to begin the restoration process, working around the clock to mitigate the damage and ensure that the facility was safe and secure for use once again. Through a combination of state-of-the-art equipment and industry-leading expertise, Banner Environmental Services was able to restore the religious facility to its pre-loss condition, providing peace of mind to the client and their community. Now that everything is dry and cleaned up, Banner Environmental Services will assist with the putback. Banner Environmental Services also performed mold prevention services by taking moisture readings and mitigating any mold growth before it happened. If you have water damage in your building or home, contact Banner Environmental Services. Our 24-hour emergency service number is 866-934-2374.